Hello and welcome to Weshareabundance.com. I'm showing you how this program works. First of all, I got to log in. When I log in, this is my dashboard, and this is all you get. This program is one of the fantastic program. People who are new to online business, they can join this and they make money for just to log in on a website. So I can show you how I'm making money. I can go in this US wallet detail, and you see I'm getting every day $5 for just logging in like this. I start this program on 12th, and we completed all the steps on 8. No, I started on 4th and completed on 8 all the steps. No, sorry, 9, and then I'm just logging on and I'm getting $5 a day. You see, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5. So far I make $47.07. So that's how it's working, this program. Just join it and log in every day, and you can get $5 just every day. Thank you.